To use your Bath & Body Works employee discount online, follow these steps. First, ensure you have a registered account on the Bath & Body Works website. If you do not have an account, create one by providing the required information, including your employee ID number. Once you have an account, log into the website and begin shopping. Add the items you wish to purchase to your cart. When you are ready to check out, click on the cart icon and review your items. Next, click on the checkout button and enter your employee ID number in the designated field. This will apply your employee discount to the eligible items in your cart. Note that some items may be excluded from the discount, such as sale items or certain promotions. Be sure to review the exclusions before completing your purchase. In addition to using your employee discount online, you can also use it in store by presenting your employee ID badge at the time of purchase. Best practices include regularly checking the Bath & Body Works website for updates on employee discounts and exclusions, as these can change. It is also a good idea to verify your employee ID number is accurate and up to date to ensure you receive your discount. By following these steps, you can easily use your Bath & Body Works employee discount online and take advantage of the savings on your favorite products. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your discount to ensure you are getting the most out of your employee benefits.